Here we will see common operators used in LINQ query. The LINQ operators are nothing but a set of extension methods that are used to write the LINQ query. These LINQ extension methods provide many useful features that we can apply to the data source. Some of the features are filtering the data, sorting the data, grouping the data, etc. And these operators are divided into different categories based on their functionality. First, projection operators. These operators transform the elements of a sequence into a new form. Common projection operators include select, which is a method that is used to project each element of a sequence into a new form. It preserves the number of elements but can change their type or structure. And select many. This method is used to flatten a sequence of collections into a single sequence. It is useful for one-to-many projections. Then filtering operators. These are used for filtering data. The most common restriction operator is where, which applies a predicate to each element of a sequence and returns those that satisfy the condition. Different filtering operators are where, which filters a sequence of values based on a predicate, and of type, which filters the element of an array based on a specified type. Then partitioning query operators. These methods are used to return specified number of elements from start of a LINQ query or while a condition is true. Different partitioning query operators are: first is take. This method returns the output sequence with a specified number of elements from the start of the query. Then take while. This method returns elements from the start of the query when a specified condition is matched. Then skip. This method returns the output sequence that skips or ignores the specified number of elements from the start of the query. And skip while. This method returns the output sequence that skips the elements at the start of the query while the given predicate is matched. Then sorting and ordering. These operators arrange the elements of a sequence. Common ordering operators are order by descending, then by, and then by descending. Order by operator sorts the elements of a sequence in ascending order according to a key. And order by descending operator sorts the elements of a sequence in descending order according to a key. Then by descending performs a subsequent ordering of the element in a sequence in descending order, and reverse inverts the order of the element in a sequence. Then aggregation. First is count or long count. It returns the number of elements in a sequence. Sum operator calculates the total sum of a numeric values. Average operator computes the average value of a numeric property. And min or max retrieves the minimum or maximum value in the sequence. Then qualifiers and elements. First is any, which returns true if at least one element satisfies a condition. Then all, which returns true only if the elements satisfy a condition. Then first or default. It returns the first element or a default if the sequence is empty. And single or default. It returns a single element and throws an exception if more than one exists. Then set operations. First is distinct, which is used to remove duplicate elements from a sequence using the default or a custom quality comparer, which returns only unique elements. Then union. It produces a set union of two sequences. Then intersect. It returns only the elements that appear in both sequences. Then accept. It returns elements from the first sequence that are not in the second. Then conversion and materialization. First is toList or toArray. It immediately executes the query and stores the result in a list or array. Then toDictionary. Converts the sequence into a dictionary with key value pair. And cast or off type. It converts elements to a specified type or filters based on the ability to cast.